come sing with me. Shapes are fun as you will see. I'm a circle round a knee. No sharp corners, such a treat. I'm a square, four sides the same. Let's all clap and say my name. Shapes are fun, shapes are bright. Learn them morning, noon and night. Circle, square and triangle too. Many shapes for me and you. 3 little sides, 3 points too. I'm a triangle, nice to meet you. Long and short, that's what I do. I'm the rectangle, how about you? I'm an oval, smooth and fine, kind of like an egg-shaped line. I'm a star, I shine so bright. Twinkle, twinkle, every night. Shapes are fun, shapes are bright. Learn the morning, noon and night. Circle, square, and triangle too. Many shapes for me and you. Shapes are everywhere, now you know. Keep on learning as you grow.